Of the square wood palette plaque that I got from Dollarama. I painted it white. Now all I'm doing is trying to add some twine that I got from Dollarama and just add it to one of the palette portions. So I got 3 of them, and I'm going to add this on, just flipping it over and using the glue gun to attach it to either side, which I am showing you here. I put some at the bottom part of the string and also on the top for both sides, so it will hold well. So I'm holding it there so it could stay. Obviously it did not, so I had to hold it a little bit longer. So I'm doing this on the other side as well. And then it falls off again, so I decided to take my scissors and help it along so it will stay. And then I did that for all 3 sides. Later on I also put it some hot glue gun stuff right in the middle of the string so it would just hold. Now I'm just taking some eucalyptus flowers and adding that on with the brown Chanel stems so it could just adhere. So I just kind of adding that pipe cleaner or Chanel stem, whatever you call it, and just making sure that both sides are, you know, twisted and put all together. So then I can add some hot glue onto that so it'll be on the top of the palette. And I also added some glue to either side of the pieces so it could just stay a little bit nicer. Now I'm just taking a bow and adding that on. Now I have this cloth pins that I used, and I also have these pieces of paper that I am adding in so that there's the prayers, and you can see I wrote the prayers at the bottom. I didn't like it, so I used these chipboard letters. I painted it a brown, and I'm just adding that at the bottom so that it says prayers on it. And this is what it looks like all together. So on the pieces of paper you can write your beautiful prayers, and you can display this in your room with all the requests for prayers, and it could be something beautiful that you can have in your classroom. So here I found this beautiful birdcage thing, and all I did is remove the inside part and painted it white. And I also have this frame that I am just going to glue with a hot glue and putting that all together and just waiting for it to dry. Now I'm going to take the eucalyptus fake flowers that I found from Dollarama. Everything from Dollarama. I love Dollarama. Can you tell? And I add that on to the top portion of this beautiful cage frame thing. Now, so I'm taking the twine and just making a loop, and I will be adding that to the top portion where the hole is of this piece, and putting it together with a knot on the top so I can hang this beautiful piece. And I want to add some Bible verse, like a Bible verse for the month that you can add in the classroom. It's like a beautiful display. So that's all I'm doing here. Making sure it is nice and secure. And here I'm putting everything back on: the glass, the paper backing, and the backing that holds everything together and making sure it is all secure. And this is what it looks like all together. I think it looks beautiful. So here I'm taking the oval chipboard, and all I did is painted white with the apple barrel white paint. Did an awesome job. Now I'm taking these stickers, wall stickers that I found from Dollarama. I think these are so nice with the birds. And I'm just seeing where I want to place it, just tearing it off from the sticker paper and applying it onto the oval chipboard and pressing it down firmly. And then whatever is as the excess, because I didn't want that part, I'm just going to cut it off with my scissors and just patting it, making it smooth so there's no bubbles or wrinkles or anything of that nature. I got this welcome sign from Walmart and I painted that white too. It comes unfinished and I used the same apple barrel white paint, and now I'm just taking my glue gun and adding that onto the sign. Just as so, and pushing down on it firmly. Now I'm just going to let it dry, and I'm just adding this twine thing that I found at Dollarama. There was a lot of it there, and I'm just adding it to the back of this sign so that if I want, I can hang it anywhere that I want. It's perfect for welcoming students into the classroom. So I put that all together, and this is what it looks like all together. I think it looked really, really beautiful. So here I have an 8x10 frame that I got from Dollarama, and I just took out the backing and every insert in there, and I painted this white. Now I put a white paper inside of it, and this could be used as a whiteboard, and you can write today's memory verse on it, John 3:16, or you can write monthly memory verse. There's lots of possibilities. You can put this outside of your classroom so people know what today's lesson is or what the memory verse is. It's great for the students and for the parents that they stay connected with the classroom. So try this out.